Most of us probably take our rolls of toilet paper for granted, so you might be surprised to learn that bathroom tissue, as it's properly called, is a relatively new invention. Toilet paper is probably the most indispensable item in your home. After all, it's not something you want to run out of. KipClean is a toilet paper manufacturer located in Brisbane, Queensland, an Australian-owned and operated business. KipClean manufactures a range of paper products. The process begins with these giant half-ton paper rolls, or parrot rolls, are placed in what's called a winding machine as they pass through the yellow blades which perforates the paper before being wound onto a long cardboard roll called the core. The wound roll is then cut from the feed and glued before being sent along the conveyor belt to the slicing machine. This machine uses a large circular saw to cut the long roll into 16 standard toilet rolls. The toilet rolls are then packaged into 6, 24 and 48 roll packs before being sent to the warehouse and then ultimately dispatched to the customer. KipClean doesn't stop at toilet paper. KipClean also manufactures a range of hand sanitizers and hand sanitizing gel, as well as other paper products, including kitchen towel and facial tissues. So the next time you're in the store, remember the effort that goes into producing just one roll of toilet paper for your home and business, and think Australian owned. Think KipClean.